Here's how to do a salon-like hair spa at home or even better. First and foremost, choose the right products. HK Vital's biotin range is sulfate and paraben free and contains the superhero ingredient biotin. Start by cleansing the scalp with the biotin shampoo. It has a gentle but potent ingredient, red onion extract, which helps reduce hair fall. Apply the shampoo and massage it for at least 5 minutes. It not only strengthens the hair but also makes your hair super soft and shiny. Next, use a deep nourishing hair mask like this one from HK Vitals. With the goodness of coconut oil and biotin, it repairs the damaged hair, deeply hydrates and leaves your hair so smooth and shiny. Keep it on for 15 minutes before washing it off. After rinse, don't skip conditioner. The biotin conditioner is super hydrating. With aloe vera and shea butter, it nourishes the hair and prevents hair breakage. Let it sit for 2 minutes. And that's it. I love how smooth and silky my hair feels. Great results. I'm totally obsessed with this range. You have to get yours from hkvitals.com.